Hi there, it's me, Hassan Said. I am DevOps and infrastructure engineer with over 5 years of hands-on experience building, scaling, and maintaining production-grade systems. I have worked with all kinds of environments from high availability Kubernetes cluster to lightweight setups using K3s, RK2, and I am pretty handy with automation tools like Helm, Terraform, and CI/CD pipelines. My background is mainly in telecom and banking sectors, so I know how important uptime and security and clean infra really is. Whether you are looking for someone to set up cloud infrastructure, automate deployments, or troubleshoot complex Linux issues, I got your back. I would like to keep communication smooth and clear, and I take pride in delivering reliable results. Let's talk about how I can help you with in the next project. Thanks for stopping by. Looking forward to working with you.